open today. And welcome everyone. Hello. My name is Anja Maier. I am Professor of Engineering Systems at DTU Management Engineering. And on behalf of the NetSites team, I welcome you to this morning. And the overall goal, or first of all, you could say, what is NetSites? And it's short for Network Insights. And our goal is building an open source platform for collaborative sustainable production. So in other ways, how can we identify technological capabilities, map the landscape of those capabilities in the country, and also help individual companies in charting the way towards sustainable production. How are we going to do this? Well, the principles behind this, you could say, are threefold. One is data-driven. We don't want to develop something totally new. We want to use what's in the country, what's in the companies, what is already there, and have the synergy effects to create insights. So that's data-driven. Secondly, using network analysis to go from individual data items to actually connecting them to create insights into the sustainable production area. So it's every company, every industry sector has his or her own, or its own data set, but how do we connect them so we can really make Denmark also an attractive place to invest in this area? And there's so many technologies out there, this big ecosystem here that we want to harness. And this is the third point. So we're going from individual companies' capabilities to actually looking at the overall ecosystem of the country in sustainable production. So it's a systemic perspective. And how did this all come about? We are building on several years of prior research in design and development and designing for production, and have also worked with the clean tech sector here in Denmark in the last couple of years. So this is a direct offshoot of that, and then it was also triggered by a theme call from Industriens Fund on sustainable production. And so this particular project, to start with, running definitely another year or more, but already plans for expansion. And we could say that the partners involved, they are very much also part of developing this whole project. It's not just us at DTU executing or conceptualizing, executing it. It's also in conjunction with the different partners. So Industriens Fund as the main funding body and also supporter. Then we have State of Green, and we are here at this wonderful premises, the State of Green, in the House of Green. And State of Green, who we've worked with before, playing a key role on the data side as well as connecting, and also on implementing some of the work into the website, into the works that you do here as well. And then thirdly, also Clean as the main entry or gateway to Denmark's industry, as the main or most important network in the clean tech sector. So these are the partners behind the project. And who is this for? Who are the user groups? And there we have three sets, you could argue. And it's actually really nice because you here represent those three groups. So firstly, manufacturing or design and manufacturing companies or private companies in the clean tech sector, developing clean products, developing products for clean production, developing production technologies. And there's a lot at the moment also on the EU level in what's called factories of the future. So we will see a lot of changes happening in going forward. And how can we now, our ambition here is also to design products and services that we can't even envisage today. So it's this long-term perspective in going forward and making Denmark a pretty greener place and its international environment. So that's user group one. User group two are innovation agencies or network organizations, sector development organizations, who have the view towards connecting up individual companies' technological capabilities, mapping that landscape, so that again we can look at developing a whole sector, and first and foremost the clean tech sector. But this maybe should be transferable to other industry sectors as well. And then thirdly, also researchers in engineering systems and also innovation management, looking at testing their hypotheses about creating breakthrough innovations, and also helping develop this platform further. So this is very much, as I said, a collaborative endeavor, and should be open so that we can use it and it's not dusting away. What I would like to also give you an overview very briefly is how the day will unfold. You've got the agenda sent already, but just briefly we could say it has two parts. One is where we share our content, what we've done so far, and our vision with you, where the next steps are going to go. This is, and we have a number of speakers. I will introduce them in a minute. And then secondly, we move over after the break into an interactive part, looking into clean tech challenges in groups, and then coming back in the plenum and have an interactive discussion. So these are the two parts that are going to happen. And so who's going to share their ideas with you in this first session of content sharing? We have Pedro Paragues. He's postdoctoral researcher at the Engineering Systems Group at DTU Management Engineering. And he's the key figure behind conceptualizing and also executing the project, and also sharing a trajectory or our vision of creating network-based insights with you. And we have Søren Salamo, professor and head of DTU Management Engineering. And he will introduce us to an engineering systems perspective on networked engineering, and in particular how companies could be aided and supported in their search for technological capabilities and business knowledge. And then thirdly, we also have Dan House-Lauritsen here from State of Green, who will introduce us to State of Green's role in Denmark's clean tech area, also introduce us to this wonderful place here that we are thankful for being allowed to be here with you all. And thirdly, share the role of State of Green in this project with us, in particular going from data to business. So this is the introduction, and if there are any questions at this point or thoughts that you already would like to share, I invite you to do that now. Otherwise, I think we will start. We will give the stage to Dan.